So this is day 16 of the Star Wars Advent Calendar 2019 opening. Except it has already been opened because I had a failed take, as I didn't know the name of this transport. Apparently this is called a multi-troop transport, and it appeared in the old Star Wars trilogy. I think, I'm not sure which trilogy it is, but in one of them. So yesterday we built up one of the droids that are supposed to be seated inside one of these MTTs and then deployed on the battlefield. So in short, this is a troop transport vehicle, and I'm halfway through finishing it up. So yeah, let's go ahead and finish it up. All right. Yeah, it's not supposed to be here. And yeah, I made a mistake here as well. All right. Okay. Yeah, this looks a little bit unfinished on the other side. I don't know. Or maybe I made a mistake. Yeah, I certainly made a mistake here. Yeah, it shouldn't be like that. Because I haven't really seen the in-universe movie version of the troop transport. But this looks better. You know, so this is the ramp. Well, the opening, the door opening. Not necessarily the ramp. I don't think the ramp has been represented by this micro scale model, but certainly this is probably an opening, and then the thousands of battle droids would be streaming out of this troop transport, ready to take over the planet. So there you have it. This is the so-called MTT in day 16 of the Star Wars Advent Calendar. Thank you for watching.